Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create a website using AI. But a quick reminder, if you're watching this using your MacBook, your tablet, your phone, any other devices in general, other than the one I'm using right now, which is actually this is a Windows PC, Windows 10 to be exact, just want to let you know that please stay in the video if you're using other devices. Reason is that the process here is literally the same. If you don't want to use Google Chrome, Safari, because I'm using Microsoft Edge right now, it's really up to you. It's perfectly fine. Now let's get started right here. I have two websites for you to work with. The first one is going to be Mixo, Mixo.io. This is actually the first one, and personally, this is my favorite. It's pretty straightforward, it's pretty free, it's pretty simple to use with. Second website will be this one, called 10web.io. It's the same as the first one, but with this one's have an extended features. You can create your complete website with this one. Think of it as the 10web has pages, has multiple sections, wherein this Mixo one has only a one-page website. It's more on this one. Mixo is for freelancers, to be more precise, to be more direct. Okay? So let's get started. Let's get started first with Mixo. As you can see right now, I am not currently logged in because I want to take you here step by step. So simply click on Get Started for free at the very middle part. Let's get started. And the best thing about Mixo is it's not going to ask you for so much. It's only going to ask you for one simple prompt. What's your startup idea? Describe your startup idea in a sentence. Now, with this one, this is going to be a prompt because this is going to be an AI. So simply type in a educational website. Again, guys, you can copy whatever you prompt here, but if you want to try your own, for example, you want to experiment some prompts right there, feel free to do so, okay? So it's gonna be on the I'm gonna just change this one, forget the letter N, on the educational website. Aesthetic, okay? Think of it as, for example, you're just using Midjourney and prompting some images. Think of it that way. User friendly. I think this is gonna be good enough for now. I'm just gonna simply click on continue. Now, quick tip, if you don't have any idea to start with, you're having trouble from the prompts, you're seeing this, try one of our examples right here, simply click on it. Now before I click on continue, I'm gonna click this one. And then as you can see, Mixo is giving you prompts. Okay? So I'm gonna go back earlier, so on educational website about freelancing. Aesthetic design. Basically, that's gonna be it. Click continue. Let me just check the spelling. Click on continue right there. Select your goal. So for this one, we're just gonna use collect subscribers. Click on generate, and now AI is generating our website. We just need to wait, I think, 1 to 3 minutes here, and I'll get back to you once it's done. Hello there. So welcome back. Mixo just finished generating our website. And as you can see right here, the first thing I noticed is gonna be a title. If you remember earlier, I did not say a specific title. I just said an educational website for freelancers, aesthetic design. But Mixo gave me a header, a title, and also, the best thing about it is this logo. As you can see, this is a freelance logo. This is not, it's not from me. What I mean is that I did not design this. Mixo gave it by himself. So if you scroll down a little bit, the best thing about this one is it's really user-friendly. You can edit everything here. So for example, I want to edit this specific design. I'm just going to check the sections right here, the tools. So I can just simply click on edit content. Let me just click that one. First, let's just save and continue, register an account first. Sign in with Google, so it's very quick here. I'm just going to use my dummy Google account. Just wait for it to finish, okay? And then with that one, click save and continue. Saving site, loading your site, and then we can edit it from here. So as you can see right now, there are plans, $10 per month, $20 per month, $40 per month. But since this is only for tutorial purposes, I'm gonna click the free option right here. Now this is where we can edit our website. There are sections right here called Hero. There's features, there's testimonials, there is FAQ, frequently asked questions. There is this call to action button, the notes, of course the footer. So by itself, it's really complete as of now. If you're gonna ask me, this is actually a good startup design. And then, for example, I want to edit my hero, for example, the specific header. Let me just type in everything here, sample 123. And the best thing about it is, as I go on, as I type anything on the header title right there, it changes. It's designed real time for real time edit changes. Even the period is real time. Subtitle, of course, is gonna be this one. Subtitle, real time edits. It's really good, right? Let's check spelling right there. So helper text, this is just an additional option for you guys. For example, helper text right there, option sample 123. I just want to show you that this is real-time changes. Primary button, this is gonna be the call to action button. It's gonna be that one. It's gonna be the email button right there. So you can change the photo here. For example, I can remove this one, upload a new one. It's either Unsplash from YouTube or from Vimeo. But for this one, you need the Pro feature. However, if you have a good photo, you can just simply upload it from your desktop. Let's try one out right here. I think I have a sample photo of this that I made from Midjourney. Let's just upload it, and there you go. Now let's go back on the very bottom part right here. There are ratings. Of course, they also have this reviews. That's why it's really good. For example, I can edit review sample. Even Mixo give me a testimonial slider, right? And with that one, I can also change the specific photo of the person who gave the review. For the testimonial, this is also a different one. This is a more highlighted testimonial. And as you can see right here, just want to highlight it. It's pretty self-explanatory here. It's pretty simple to use. For example, I'm satisfied with the design. I'm satisfied with it. I'm just going to click on save and publish right there. But the thing is, the website link will have the website's name, App Mixo, and this is going to be your own website. If you want to remove that and edit it, you just need to buy the subscription plan. Other than that, you're good to go. And that's how you use Mixo to create a website using AI. Now I want to give you a quick tour on this second one. It's going to be called 10 Web. Let's generate your website right here. So you have two options. Create a new website with AI or use WordPress with AI. I'm just going to use with the first one later on. And I want to create an informational website. Click on next. So as you notice here, the difference from the two is that 10Web.io is asking this specific tailored questions to tailor build your website. Not unlike Mixo, just as a prompt, and then Mixo is going to give you the website and edit it from there. So with this one, let's try gym and fitness. So I'm just going to randomize my answers here so you can get the gist of what's happening. Now let's wait for it to finish loading. And with that being said, you can again see this colors right there. It's pretty different. It's pretty a lot. I'm just gonna go with ocean blue and choose a specific style. I'm going to click this one, dark theme, ocean blue. Company name, let's just say sample 1. Description of company, sample description. I think I misspelled it. No, I don't really I think I spelled it right. Anyway, with that one, I'm gonna click on next. To get better results, input no less than 10 symbols. Okay, I'm just gonna click enhance with AI right here. Let's try 1, 2, 3. Sample 1. Collect. Let me just get some copy of this one so I can proceed here. Okay, click on next. So again, you don't have to copy that, okay? You just have to put in exact describe your company right there. I just doing this one just for discussion purposes. So service, feature, renewable energy. I'm just gonna choose that one. Real-time updates. And of course, content marketing. Click on next. Click on finalize. Informal or formal. This is gonna be the tone of voice of your content. I'm gonna go for informal. And then this is where Web.io is gonna ask you to create an account. So I'm just gonna use the same one earlier, dummy account, Google account right there, to proceed with the 10Web.io. Now, this is where the magic's gonna happen. After asking those questions, after answering those tailored questions, 10Web.io will give you the website itself. So right now, it's just generating the website, so I'm gonna get back to you once it's done. So hello there, welcome. 10Web.io just finished generating our website, and this is how it looks like. It's pretty simple, it's pretty good, and I'm just gonna try time web prior for 7 days. I'm just gonna exit on this one, really don't need it as of now. Now with this one, as you can see at the bottom part, there are clients. You can edit it as you please. Everything here is editable. You have those sections right there. This is the difference from the editor earlier. The one earlier is only one page client or one page website. But with this one, you're gonna have 4 sections. And that being said, just simply click on the edit tool right here and do as you please on this website. These are the sections. You have basic, general, and advanced. So the only limit here is your imagination. And that's how you create a website using AI. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.